Okay then, because it's about her conduct with Pamir Hakamzada.
Downstairs.
David Menzies for Rebel News here in downtown Toronto. Well, folks, I am still on the hunt for a Mr. Pamir Hakamzada. As you know, we've been trying to track down this individual. He's the one who left Canada for Turkey en route to Syria to join ISIS, to be a jihadi. Never got to Syria, was arrested in Turkey, eventually deported to Canada, served some time at the Toronto South Detention Centre, and supposedly he's undergoing psychiatric assessment, and he is supposedly taking de-radicalization training from an imam, and yet we still have not pinned down this individual, which leads me to this law firm of Rusnak, O'Connor, Robbins, Ross, and Angelini. You see, back in 2017, Pamir was represented by Rishma Gupta, and this is where this saga takes yet another bizarre twist. When Miss Gupta, his counsel, was visiting him at the Toronto South Detention Centre, there are private rooms in which prisoners and their lawyers can go into to discuss their cases. And here's where things just get really, really weird. These rooms are monitored by video, and there's also a little window where guards can take a peek in from time to time. And guards allege that Gupta, at one point in her first meeting with Pamir, was getting a foot massage. Now, Gupta was warned that she should not behave in such an unprofessional fashion. However, it seems that those warnings were lost on Gupta, because on a subsequent visit, Gupta allegedly went under the table. Suffice to say, these allegations of professional misconduct led to an investigation of Miss Gupta by the Law Society of Upper Canada. It should also be noted that Miss Gupta's lawyer denies that there was any inappropriate sexual contact with her client and Pamir. In any event, I've come down to her former law firm, and I'm just trying to find out if any of the partners here can speak about Miss Gupta and her alleged conduct.
Oh, hi there. I'm here to see if Rishma Gupta is available.
No, she does not work for this firm.
Oh, did she used to, or?
Previously, but that was a while ago. She does not work here. We don't have contact with her.
Oh, okay. My name is David Menzies, Rebel News. Is there a possibility I could speak to a partner about? No? Nobody? Okay then, because it's about her conduct with Pamir Hakamzada.
Downstairs.
Nobody will talk? Okay.
I do not know what you're talking about, and I can't do that.
Can you ask a partner if they'll speak to me, or? No? Okay, thank you.
Well, as you saw, folks, it would appear that Rishma Gupta is partner non grata at her old law firm. I can't say I really blame them if indeed the allegations regarding Pamir Hakamzada are true. All of which brings me here to the Law Society of Upper Canada, aka the Law Society of Ontario. You see, back in September 2018, Rishma Gupta promised to stop practicing law while the Law Society conducted an investigation into that very relationship with Pamir. The investigation is apparently still ongoing. Nobody at the Law Society would comment on the Gupta matter, although if you do go to the Law Society's website, you will find out that the status of Rishma Gupta is that she is not currently practicing law. As well, we reached out to Miss Gupta's lawyer, Nadia Liva, to get a comment from her and to hopefully set up an on-camera interview. That apparently is not going to happen. In an emailed statement, Miss Liva notes, quote, Miss Gupta continues to cooperate with her regulator. She will not be participating in any interviews with the media, end quote. So it's really quite sad, isn't it? Although Pamir Hakimzadeh never did fulfill his wish to go abroad and carry out carnage, it would appear he has done some very real damage to the reputation and career of a lawyer here in Canada. Then again, if these allegations are indeed true, as the old saying goes, it does take two to tango. For Rebel News, I'm David the Menzoid Menzies. Hey folks, unlike the mainstream media, Rebel News doesn't receive a nickel's worth of funding from the government, nor would we accept it if offered. We depend on you, our viewers, for donations, so if you can, please visit rebelnews.com/donate. That's rebelnews.com/donate. And if you're able to, kick in a buck or two so that Rebel News can continue to bring you the other side of the story.